Hello friends, today topic is observable gelatin sponge. Topic is observable gelatin sponge. Okay, generally there is a gelatin sponge. This gelatin sponge is made up of procaine drug. Okay, this gelatin sponge is made up of procaine. What is procaine? Procaine is nothing but is a drug which are given before operations. Procaine is a drug which are given before the operations or surgeries. Okay. First of all, define what is meant by observable gelatin sponge. Observable gelatin sponge is a sterile in nature, is a water insoluble, and it is a gelatin based sponge. It is a gelatin based sponge used to control the breathing in surgical operations. These are used to control the breathing in surgical operations. Okay, or it is a sterile homostatic. Homostatic is nothing but hemostatic. Hemostatics meaning is nothing but they may control or stop the breathings. Breathing is nothing but loss of breath. Okay, hemostatics meaning is it controls or stops the breathing. Breathing is nothing but loss of breath. Okay, it controls or stops the loss of breath or breathing. Okay, it's a sterile homostatic agent. Homostatic is nothing but which agents that stop the breathing or blood flow. It is composed of a purified procaine derivatives. Procaine is a drug which are given before the surgeries or operation. Before given operations or surgery. Procaine in Telugulo mattumandu anta. Mattumandu. Okay. And observable gelatin sponge. They are used to control the breathing. Control breathing means which may stop the loss of breath or flow, which may use it to embolize the arteries. Embolizes EMBOLIZES. The meaning of embolizes is nothing but which may break down the clots or bleedings in arteries. Embolizes is nothing but which may break down the clots or bleeding in arteries. Okay, it is may use it in embolizes the artery. Embolizes nothing but break down the clot or bleeding of blood molecules. Okay, and it is used in tumors is nothing but cancer. Tumor is nothing but is a cancer cells. In the cancer cells, it block or control the breathing. Okay, this observable gelatin sponge, this sterile homostatic agent. Homostatic is nothing but which may control or stop the loss of breath or breathing. It composed of procaine molecules. Procaine are the injections which are given before the surgeries. Okay, it is used to control the breathing. It is used to embolize the arteries. Embolize means break down into the small pieces. And it also used in cancer treatment. In cancer cells, it may block or stop the breathing. Okay, and sponges are completely absorbed, liquefies in 5 days. It may take in 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, first the sponge will be in solid form. After 5 to 6 days or in a weeks, it is generally converts into the liquid state. Best example is gelatin form or gel form sponge. Best example is gel form. Best example is gel form or gelatin sponge. This is the best example of observable gelatin sponge. First example is gel form or gelatin form. Okay, it generally the gelatin form or gel form sponge. It is made up of animal skin gelatin. Animal means nothing but is a pig or fork or hugger. Generally, it is made up of animal skin. Animals like pig, a pork, or a hugger. Skin gelatin. It is a medical device intended for application of breathing surface. It is a hemostatic conditions. Hemostatic is nothing but which may control or stops the breathing. It prevents the loss of breath from the deeper cuts or wounds. Okay, from the deeper cuts or deeper wounds, there is a loss of breath. It may convert into anemia. To stop that anemia, we can use gel form sponge. To stop the anemia, we can use gelatin forms. Okay, and these gel form sponges are available in different shapes and size, like size 7 to 12 mm, sponge size 50, sponge size 100, sponge size 200. These are different shapes and sizes, and also having same units. Units nothing but how many sponges are present in one sheet. Okay. Next one is storage of gel form or gelatin sponge. Storage generally stored in cool place. It may store at 25 degrees centigrade below room temperature. It must be below the room temperature and also cool place. Okay, this gel form or gelatin form must be stored below the room temperature or in cool place. Okay, next example is wet spawn gelatin sponge. Wet spawn. Generally, these wet spawn are available in two forms. They are dental cubes and flexes. Dental cubes nothing but these are the cubes like suches which are stop the breathings in tooth cavities, which can control the breathings in tooth cavities. Next one is flexes, which are generally used in many hemostatic conditions. Okay, wet spawn is a non-antigenic. It is liquefies in 3 to 5 days. It is completely absorbed in a weeks. It may prevent the loss of breath from deeper cuts and wounds. It is applied on operated tissues and control the oozing. It seals up the breathing and tissues. Okay, this is about the wet. Some ideal properties of sponges. The gelatin sponge must have these conditions, must have these properties. All sponges should be stellar in nature. Means free from antimicrobial growths, is a free from dust, free from impurities, etc. So all gelatin sponges must be sterile in nature. All sponges must be water insoluble. It must be non-antigenic. It should have procaine derivatives. Procaine, we can use here procaine derivatives. Procaine is nothing but it's ammonia ester groups. Okay, procaine groups is nothing but procaine is made up of ammonia ester groups. Due to the presence of amino ester groups, this procaine is available in injection form. Procaine is available in injection form. The injections are given before the operation, before the surgeries. Okay, there must be procaine derivatives. This must be observed in nature, should be easily observed in skin or the cells or the homostatic conditions or the tumor cells. It must be a gelatin-based product. It must be a homostatic dressings. These are cuts into these are having different shapes and size based upon their size, breathing site, etc. These are available in different size along with units. Some gelatin sponges like wet sponge USP, sludgy form USP, homosponge USP, hemosponge, gel form, F-gel USP. These are some examples for gelatin sponges. Okay, this is about the gelatin sponges, observable gelatin sponges. Once more, observable gelatin sponges is nothing but it must be a sterile in nature, it must be water insoluble, it must be easily observable, it must be a gelatin based sponge used to control or stop the breathings in surgical operations, or Observable gelatin sponge is a stellar hemostatic. Hemostatic is nothing but which control or stops the bleeding. Okay, it is composed of purified procaine derivatives. Procaine generally is available in injection form. It is given before the surgery or before the operations. Okay, these are used to control the bleedings. These are used to embolize arteries. Embolizes means which may break down the blood clots or bleeding into small pieces. It breaks down the molecules. And it also used in tumors. Tumor is nothing but cancer. In cancer cells, it may block the bleeding. Okay. Generally, these gelatin sponges are absorbed in 4 to 6 weeks. Best example is gelatin form or gel form sponge, USP. Gel form sponge or gelatin sponge. Generally, the gelatin sponge is made up of animal skin gelatin. Animal skin is nothing but animals like pig, pork, hog. These are some animals. From this animal skin, the gelatin form is obtained. Gel form is sponge is obtained. Okay. Generally, it is a medical device used for applications to bleeding surface in homostatic conditions. In homostatic conditions, it is applied on bleeding surface of area. On the bleeding on the skin, we can apply this sponge. Okay. By applying this sponge, it may prevent or control the blood loss from the deeper cuts and wounds. These are available in different shapes and size and units. Gel form sponge like sponge size 7 to 12 mm, sponge size 50 mm, sponge size 100 ml, sponge size 200 mm. These are the different shapes and sizes available in gel forms sponge or gelatin form. Okay, and they having different units. Storage conditions. The storage of gel form sponge, it must be stored below the room temperature in cool place. Okay. Second example is wet spoon gelatin sponge USP. Wet spoon. These are available in two forms. They are dental cubes and flexes. Flexes are generally used in homostatic conditions, generally used in tumor cells, etc. But dental cubes are generally used in the treatment of teeth decays. It's used in treatment of teeth decays. Okay. Next, wet spawn is a non-antigenic. It liquefies in 3 to 5 days and it is completely observed in 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, at the starting it looks like a gelatin sponge. After the 4 to 6 weeks, it is completely liquefies and it is easily observed on the bleeding surface area, so it can be stops the controlling the flow of blood. Okay, it prevents the blood loss from the deeper cuts. It prevents the blood loss means anemia. It may control the anemia. It is applied on the operated tissues, controlling the oozings. Okay, and some idea properties of gelatin sponges. The gelatin sponges must be stellar in nature. Stellar means which may free from antimicrobial growths, bacteria, fungus, etc. All sponges should be water insoluble. These are water insoluble. All sponges are non-antigenic. Okay, this must be a procaine derivative. It must be absorbed easily. It must be a gelatin based drug. It must be used in homostatic dressings. Okay, and these are available in different size and shapes and different units. Some observable gelatin sponges example like which are easily available in markets, which are easily available in local markets of pharma companies or pharma industries like wet spawn USP, sludgy spawn USP, hemospongy USP, gel form USP, Abzel USP. These are some observable gelatin sponges which are available in markets. This is about observable gelatin sponges.